let's talk sticker organization. If you're in the planning community and you use stickers, you are probably like me and always looking for a different, new, unique, more efficient way to organize your stickers. So recently, while I was online doing my usual hours and hours of Instagram scrolling, I came across a new to me way to store stickers. So I want to preface this by saying there is no perfect way or right way to store your stickers. You're really going to have to just store them in a way that works best for you. If you're taking things with you all the time, or if you're at home all the time, you may not necessarily need a very portable system. I'm one of those people that likes to compartmentalize my stickers like down to the most detailed way, because that is just how my brain works and how I will be able to find things and use them in a functional way. So I have tried many systems. So one that I'm currently using is a sticker binder system, which I've already shared before in the past. So I'm not going to totally flip through that, but this just has like all of like my weekly kits and then my more common like typography type of stickers. So a binder is probably going to be the most popular way that you have seen stickers organized in the past. And this is also a binder from Printables Designs. It's like the perfect size for sheets. And you'll often see either stickers being punched and put directly on the rings themselves, or you're going to see them like I have my kits right here, where they are actually inside of the document protector that's on the rings. So again, it's going to be up to you how you want to store your stickers. This personally works for me for organizing all of my weekly kits, because I am a kit user. I just can't stop. I love kits. I also have an adhesive pocket here from Printables Designs. I'm not from Printables Designs. I also have an adhesive pocket back here from Erin Condren. I love these. I ordered a ton of these recently, and I had some in my stash from before, because you know, when you love something, that's normally when the website will get rid of it. Am I right? So it's great for storing like some of these extra things that I haven't exactly found a home for just yet. So another way that I like to store things are my leftover stickers, or like leftover kit stickers will go in a reusable sticker book. This one specifically is from Fern Creek Stickers. I actually have a couple of their sticker books, and I really, really like these because I am someone who just doesn't want to waste it. Like, I don't even know if I'll actually go back to using these, but at some point, if I needed to supplement a kit that I'm currently using, or I wanted like a no kit week, I could reference this book if I wanted to. There could be stickers that match another kit that I might have left over from this one, and so on. So I recently just started this one. I've even got one that I specifically use for like Printables Designs stickers. I just like keeping all of her stuff together. So I do have another reusable sticker book. I highly recommend getting these from whichever shop you love. They're all pretty much the same, but these are great if you're like me and you don't want to waste your leftovers. I even have this one where I have put like a lot of just generic stickers in here, because this is something that I can have off to the side when I'm planning. If I just need like an icon or something specific, I keep it pretty neutral because that's just the vibe that I'm going for. And I just love it because all of these stickers will literally go with anything. So that's kind of how I store those things. Now, I have in the past ordered like a ton of stickers from Cloth and Paper, and they offer this option in their shop where you can get like the cover and the discs to go over their sheets. Now you do have to punch them yourself, but this is a great way to store their stickers. Like every shop might have their own storage system that works best with their sheets. As you can see, I ordered quite a bit. I also used to subscribe to their box, which is why I ended up with so many stickers, and they're just so freaking great. So I'm going to keep these on here because you're going to see the newest system that I have added to my sticker storage. And I know it's an overused word. I am literally obsessed with this system. And so I recently, like I said, was scrolling on Instagram and saw someone storing their stickers in this way, and I can't remember which account I saw it, but then of course it led me down another rabbit hole where I got to see how someone else was storing their stickers and so on and so forth. And I came across a system by the shop Poi and Hun that was stored on discs. Now I have since switched the discs out that originally came with this system, and I'm going to show you why, because the disc was this small. I filled up the disc so quickly that luckily I had some leftovers from previous times that I've used discs, and I have these beautiful like tortoise shell discs from Levenger. I mean, they are so freaking pretty. But anyway, let me go back to the Poi and Hun cover. So it came with these small discs, and you do get a cover, the front cover and the back cover, which is like this nice like hard plastic book cover situation. And you got several of their sheets that you could insert your stickers into that had different pocket variations. So I'll show you that here in just a bit. So this is just how I have mine set up, because as you can see, I've added quite a bit and intend on using this a lot more just because it is perfect for my planning style right now. So I do have this vinyl sticker from Lotus Paper Co. I think it's just really cute and nice and neutral, which you'll see goes with the overall theme of this sticker book. So you do have, at least as far as I know and from what I've purchased, you have 2 sticker sheet options that come on the discs. And this is half letter size, by the way. I know I'm going to probably forget some things, but I did want to remember to say that this is half letter size. So if you wanted to compare it to like an A5 planner, you can see it's going to be slightly, it's the same, but it's also slightly smaller because it is shorter. So as you can see, this is great for like on the go. So like I was starting to say, the pocket configurations I believe just come in 2. So you have like the pockets that are this way, they have 2. Here's what I really love about this is that these are not top loading at all. You have to load your stickers in from the side, which I personally think is a great design option, simply because your sheets are not going to fall out if you put it in your bag. You're not going to have to worry about it if you put it in this way or that way, things falling out. Everything kind of opens from this side along the discs so that it's really not going to go anywhere even as you're turning your pages. So let me show you some of the sheets I have in here. I'm a little bit, like I said, I'm a little bit obsessed with this system. So I've got some Nicole Hutch Design stickers in here. They fit perfectly, at least this smaller size here. And again, everything in here is going to be like fairly neutral because that's kind of the style that I'm going with in this season. I still love colorful stickers, but I like to have a neutral option that I can pair with anything that may or may not be colorful. So I've also got like some date headers and the little date numbers and things like that. And like I said, even the much smaller stickers kind of stay in here securely. So you can see that these Nicole Hutch Designs dot stickers are staying in place just fine. They're not going to fall out anywhere because the opening is over here along the disc side of things. It even fits the larger Nicole Hutch Designs sticker sheets. This is a neutral dot sheet that I recently just purchased, and I love just like how perfect it fits in here. I love it so much. And then of course I got sheets from like Mom Plans XO. Again, these don't fit the entirety of the document protector, but they're going to stay in there just fine. And just in case you were wondering, these protectors are glossy. They're not like that frosted, like that cheaper document protector material. These are nice and thick, but not too thick, if that makes sense. So they're very easy to get on and off the discs, and they stay on the discs really well, so that's great. I've got some more dot stickers, and I love these little like note stickers from Mom Plans XO as well. Then when I originally saw how some people had their stickers set up, I saw that they had a ton of stickers from Sweet Caress Designs, and I just love all of the options that they had to offer as far as neutral or like blush, more muted tone stickers. So I have like some dewdrops, some circles, some scallop circles, like tons and tons of dewdrops. Like even some hexagons and things like that. I just really love all the options that they offered. They even have some icon stickers, which I also love. The computers, the push pins, the dollar signs, of course, the phone. I don't like calling people, so I don't even know if I'll actually use that. But I also grabbed some additional sheets as well, and I just filled this up. My current favorites are also the play button icon and the Instagram, of course, as well. I even tucked in some additional Mom Plans EXO dot stickers over here. I can't get enough of this system because it's just so functional for me, and the fact that there are sheet protectors that fit this size of sticker sheet just makes it even more pleasing to like flip through here. It's also very easy to find things. I really, really love it. So that is the end of everything from Sweet Caress Designs. I've got a couple of sheets from Lotus Paper Co. I think I'm going to place an order here soon. I love their stickers as well. They're transparent and just, again, those nice muted neutral colors. I love these. These are so fun. I need to actually use these. That would be nice. I am an avid sticker hoarder. I don't know about you guys, but love hoarding stickers. I need to actually use them. And then not all of her stickers are transparent. She does have some that are matte. And these are great as well. As you can see, I've used a few of those, some quote stickers, and then these are what the sheets look like with nothing in them. So this is the sheet that has the 2 pockets. I know that's going to be a little bit hard to see, but like I said, these are nice and crystal clear, and they go on the discs really well. And then you also have that full sheet option. I have some extra sheets that I stuck back here that I have a feeling that I will fill fairly quickly. And again, these load from the side as well. They're not top loading or outside loading, which would make no sense because everything would fall out of your pouches here. And then lastly, of course, I added an Erin Condren sticky pockets. I know it's going to be hard to see, but this is a large size sticky pocket. I think they're not selling these anymore. A medium would have done better, but this actually fits just right. And I just keep my stencils from Chrissy Ann Designs. Again, everything is like so hard to see, but I keep my stencils from Chrissy Ann Designs because, again, this book, this system in general is one that I've been reaching for a lot. And I use my Chrissy Ann Designs stencils nearly every single day. Sticking a pocket back there for the stencils to go into is just like the perfect solution. So I really wanted to share mainly this book because this is the newest of my sticker storage, and yeah, I'm really, really loving it. Again, this is a new type of sticker storage for me, but this has been great because, again, I'm leaning more towards these like neutral type of stickers, so it's nice to have a system for them. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I will link as much of this as I can as possible. I will at least list the names of things down below so that you can find them. Let me know again your thoughts. Have you tried storing your stickers in this system? I would love to know. I like 10 out of 10 guarantee trying this out. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you have that notification bell on so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.